Good day. Today is an amazingly beautiful day. It doesn't mean we don't have challenges in life. I'm trying so hard to help somebody with major eye problems. We have a lot of mountains to climb and we're not there yet. But I really hope that I will help him. And many people say you have to have a professional distance from your clients, but I feel so close to them, like the 7-year-old I'm working with right now, and I really want him better. So the day is beautiful, and we use the day for major improvements. And in fact, his vision is better, but we want other elements of his visual system to get better, like his eye pressure. So I hope all will be well with him, and I hope all will be well with everyone who watches this. And one thing that I want to say is one of the best ways to reduce vision pressure, at least to some extent, is to do the exercise of sunning, where you close your eyes and you move your head from side to side, and when you face the sun, the pupils constrict, but when you move away, they expand. And the idea is to have slow movements but continuous, with the eyes closed gently, and you move from side to side, and you really strengthen your whole mechanism. Remember, the eyes have to be closed when you do sunning. I'm not standing at the sun, but a few feet from here we have the sun, and when I finish this message, I will do sunning. Talk to you tomorrow.